Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set an alarm on your Sonos Era 300. And to do this we have to click right here and then tap on this alarm icon. Right now we can create a new one. Let's say that we are gonna stay with this time, 7 a.m. Bathroom, we can change the music. That's playlist, imported playlist, and there's also the radio stations that we can actually pick, but let's stay with the Sonos chime. Here we can pick the repeat, volume, the duration of the alarm, and also we'll be able to snooze an alarm. So yeah, then click save, and as you can see right now it is set up. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.